Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Magalia local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right professional long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot easier. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the nation. Our moving solutions give you all of the best choices to customize your move for your specific needs. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer lots of other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. However, after a close look at the main advantages of working with a local moving company, you are going to likely see that it's well worth it. You will definitely save time with your local move when you work with a moving company. Movers may also make sure you don't need to worry about injury since you will not need to do any heavy lifting. When you choose our movers, you receive specialists ready to make your local move very simple. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 Movers due to the fact that we improve your entire move. Moving locally may be very quick, and our team can handle even a big move in just a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Magalia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.